Hey everyone, this is Elias from RevMatch Media, and today we are at Dreamhack. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I've been coming to Dreamhack for a few years now and have seen how the driving and racing simulator world has grown. The first Dreamhack I attended didn't have a single simulator booth. At this year's Dallas event, there was a massive Lamborghini installation showing off games like Assetto Corsa Evo and the steering wheel setups by MOZA Racing. The model you see me driving is the MOZA R16 base with the Lamborghini SCV12 steering wheel. Compared to my basic setup at home, I literally felt like I was going from an economy car to a literal Lamborghini. Watch as I drive on Watkins Glen and see the feedback I'm getting in my hands from this incredible setup. My next stop was at the Red Bull booth where I got to play what looked like F1 24. Their setup consisted of what appears to be a Fanatec Clubsport racing wheel F1 on the Red Bull branded F1 Playseat. I gotta say, it was a little uncomfortable to get in and out of the Playseat F1 style seat, but I'm assuming it was set up to more of a one-size-fit-all position to allow everyone to drive it. I don't think I've ever seen a Mario Kart arcade, so this was a nice surprise. Then came Crazy Taxi, which I've never actually played. It was fun becoming an Uber driver for a couple of minutes. I want to thank the team of Zenny Optical for providing me the glasses I wear every day. They teamed up with Dreamhack and ESL to create these cool designs. So whether you need them to see, protect your eyes from blue light, the sun, or all of the above, check out my link in the bio for all the great options they have. I had a blast at Dreamhack, and I'm loving the growth I've seen in the recent years for driving simulators. Make sure to check out the next Dreamhack event because you won't want to miss it. Well, I hope you enjoyed me checking out the different racing games at Dreamhack, and remember, find the right gear. See ya.